So you might be in the woods one day and you might want to start a fire. And if you do, you probably want to be pretty successful with that fire. So there's a couple of options that you're going to want to take a look at. Get yourself a fire bag, right? Some place to keep your stuff organized with. Now, I happen to have mine separated into two different spots. I've got my stuff to catch on fire and things to use to catch this stuff on fire with, my tools. So let's start with the tools, all right? It wouldn't be a fire kit if you didn't have some sort of matches, right? So in here, I happen to have some Strike Anywhere matches. Not that I ever get to use them. I'm just not going to use them, but they're there. I have about 4.5, 5 foot worth of aluminum foil that I use just to have a moisture barrier. Uh, I've got the ferrocerium rod with a little magnesium backing there. Uh, these these are clippers. Now, if you can see these, they got a little bank line that's keeping it so it's compressed so it doesn't lose its gas while it's being stored. Now, nothing beats a Bic. It works every single time. 3 to 5 seconds of flame is all you're going to need to catch your stuff on fire, and you're moving on. This is just for giggles. This is a lot of fun. Flint, steel, char cloth. Everybody says flint and steel, but you got to have the char cloth to get it going, anyways. Story is actually another video, right? Let's go on to what we're catching on fire. Now, over here, this is the inside of a cabbage palm. I harvested it off of Bull Creek on my last hike with my buddy Mark Hudson. You got to meet this guy. He's a great, great guy. Anyways, I got some fat wood that I picked up off the landscape in my backyard, all right? And I got some jute twine. This is what makes the perfect ember catch, right? It's so fluffy and so light, and I can just bam. Oh, look at that, right? And that's this. That's this right here. So this catches the flame. This catches the ember and I would wish I would bust this out. This is all a couple of different kits, fires here, but um, and then the alcohol wipes. They catch a spark, and the shaved fat wood, which is this just shaved down, so that when I've got some of this inside my tinder bundle, so that it gives it a little more fuel to last as I'm trying to get my fire lit. So this is what I use to get my fire lit. These are the things that I use to catch this stuff on fire with. It all fits inside here. It's got a convenient little spot. Fits right inside here. Bam. Tinder here. Tools here. Goes right inside here. So there we go. That's it. That's how you catch stuff on fire in the woods. And you can be as successful as you possibly can. Because fire is important. It keeps the boogeyman away. Nobody likes the boogeyman. Except for maybe like Mrs. Boogeyman. I'm assuming they're still together. Anyways, this has been Tony Too Tough on another video. Go out there, get in the woods. I'll see you out there. Go on now. Now get.